What's up, y'all, on this beautiful New Year's Eve out at Fastlane. Classic cars. Look at this Camaro. Beautiful color. That's not bad. Oh, it's a V6. Shady. It's 1957 Taxi. Wasn't even thought of back then. Y'all can barely hear me. I got my mask on, so I apologize. Look at this Mustang. Clean. This Porsche is bad. $1,600 Super. I'll definitely whip this. Oh yeah, I'll definitely whip that. That interior. Oh yeah. It's a 1946 Mercury 8 Coupe. That's a real Bronco. Look at that bad boy. That's beautiful. Like the brown too. Beautiful boy. Got the classic Fox body. The gauge is already ready for you. Look at that. It's already to hit the drag strip. A nice little bracket car. I don't know what it got in it. 5.0. Clean too, convertible. Oh, already got the roll, okay. Y'all good. Look at this beauty. It's beautiful. Oh man. LSS. It's gonna be y'all's 50,000. 1972. Numbers matching. Hope y'all enjoying y'all New Year's Eve. I know I am. Was off work. Great weather. Take care of some business. And come look at some beautiful, beautiful cars. Don't get no more better than that. Look at this interior. That's beautiful, ain't it? Got a Mazda Rx-7. Ooh wee. We're gonna come snatch this. Ready to go. Do a nice little road course in that. It's a Bentley? Yes, it is. Man, look how the old Bentleys used to look. That's crazy. Big old car. Ain't like a pickup. Yeah, Morocco, however you see it. That's nice too. Look at that Plymouth Gtx, boy. These used to be the fast cars back in the day. These were your quarter milers here. Look at that floor shifter. It smells like it just came off the showroom back in, I don't know, but a long time ago. It smells old as a mug in there. Oh man, I still smell it. Look at this. Y'all, this was a drag racing engine back in the day. Look how far we done came. Now we into electricity. So now it's batteries. So those going bye-bye. Not yet though. We still got a while. Man, this mask be affecting my speech. Whew. Gotta worry though. Oh yeah, look at that Mustang. GT350. That's the original GT350. Sale pending, so just waiting to buy that one. Man, look, hold on. Look at this. Look at this grill. Look at the whole front end. $1976 Thatz. Man, would you look at that? I ain't gonna lie, man. This one's beautiful. This is it right here. I come pull up in this. Ah, this is a beautiful car. 79,000. Man, that's beautiful. It's a Chevy Bel Air. They still be racing these at the drag strips. These be flying too. Shows. It's beautiful. Look how small that window is. Look at the windshield wipers. How little they are. (1932) Ford Custom Roadster. Think it'll pass emissions? Oh, you ain't gotta have emissions, do you? Oh, thank you, Missouri. Only need safety. Looks safe to me. 1989 Nissan. How? Never seen this before. Right hand driving too. How much was this? 30,000. Oh my lord, look at this, y'all. Look at this. 1.0 liter inline four, 3-speed automatic. I say 0 to 60 in about a good 1.2 seconds. Look at this Land Rover, 100 bands. I'm going straight to the jungle in this. Oh yeah. Stick shift. This thing look like it's built for war. Got the seats. Look at the seats in the back. Wow. It's beautiful. What we pass up? Firebird. Can't pass some Firebirds up. Another Camaro. It's beautiful. It's just T. Sale pending. And it's beautiful. The purple. It's beautiful. Look at that Mercury. Alright, let's head to the other showroom. Oh yeah. Z06. Rotating. That's beautiful. I ain't gonna lie, I won't think one of these in my crib. Have my car just rotating right in the front yard. All the neighbors be like, man, what is he on? We're gonna enter one of the other garages, the second one. Look at this Shelby, 220,000. Whew. Whew. 1968 GT500. Illinois, with your sexy hips. Ah, my goodness. Illinois. It's not really Illinois, but I like to call all of them Illinois. Oh, look at the back. Ah. This is a house, y'all. 220,000. It's a crib. Look at all the vets. Got the original ZR1. I think I've seen this one before. Look at these. The lights flip. Y'all, I don't know. What would I do with this? But y'all know I gotta have that big Hemi sticking out with the big supercharger. Y'all know I gotta be just like Fast and the Furious, like Dominic Toretto. The only way we gotta go. Oh, I think I missed this one. Oh, no, that's another Bel Air. Y'all seen one over the other one. GT350, beautiful. That's a beautiful Camaro color. Resto mod. Sorry if the video's a little shaky. I don't know what my phone doing, but hopefully y'all can see the good content. Look at this Viper. I'll take this one, but I want that ACR over there. Man, that's not bad. 61. V10. Oh, we got, ooh. Okay, I'll take this one too. I got a lot of Vipers in here. Oh. 127. Check out that interior. Peanut butter or that jelly. It's beautiful. So that's one thing about a Viper. You know it's a Viper. When it's coming, you know it's a Viper. Like, look at it. It's like a snake for real. Beautiful car. Beautiful pickup truck there. Challenger RT 70. I go and charge a Hellcat, y'all. It's only 70. 2016. I do need another daily, but I ain't finna spend no money till Crush 2.0 is done. Update video on that coming in 2022. Had to get a lot of things prepared financially wise to afford this bigger build that we're going with. So appreciate y'all patience with that. I just, like I said last video, I just enjoying the process. Show goes on regardless. His GTO is clean. Fleet of Mustangs. I just start stopping in here periodically. It's very happy. I really ain't really thinking about nothing else, and a lot of stuff been on my mind, but that's just nothing. Look at this. This is a 1969 Chevy Nova. Look at this engine. Resto mod. Look at this. I mean, that is beautiful. 6.0 liter LS2. Look at the headrest. I mean, they didn't leave. Look at the back seats, how they shape. They didn't leave nothing out on this build. That Craven built monster just went 8s, I believe, that y'all saw they posted. This bad boy flies. The owner is his car. This is it. Oh, I ain't see this. Is that a Whipple? I don't know. Making some power. 500 horses. They over there trying to sell Rocky. Y'all see them over there? They up there discussing Rocky. They can have him. I done had him 4 years. What's the price tag? They was looking at him though. That Mach 1 sound nasty. Oh, it's off. Mach 1 is nasty. I think this is my first time over at this showroom. I definitely remember bikes. That's a beautiful bike. Y'all know I like riding bikes. Look at this F350. Playground. This is a beautiful blue. Fat boys on the top. Top. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I tried this one. Most definitely. Those bells be nice, man, but I gotta have that hood. I gotta have it sticking out the hood. That's the only way to drive it for me. 150. I just have to build one. Shoot. Probably find a body for like 50,000. Them cars went up in value. That's where we was at today, y'all. Fastlane Classic Cars. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Thank you all for those 1,000 subscribers. Appreciate you. Looking forward to 2022 and more videos, more content. I am going to at one point upgrade cameras and actually do it on a camera and a computer. But until that time comes, stay tuned for more update videos on Crush 2.0. It's coming back. So definitely going to prepare for that build. It's going to be fun. Shout out to the guys at Craven Performance. That's who's doing the work. And just Ah, man, it's a beautiful day. I can't believe it's 60 something degrees, maybe close to 70. I don't know, it's getting a little cooler. In St. Louis, Missouri on New Year's Eve. Like, don't get no better than that. All right, y'all, be blessed. Have a safe and happy New Year. See y'all in 2022, Lord be willing. Let's get it.